Did you know that some animals can produce clones of themselves without ever meeting a mate? Imagine a creature that can just decide to replicate itself at will. Welcome to Animal Studies. The animal kingdom is full of surprises, especially when it comes to reproduction. While most creatures rely on eggs or live births, some species have found astonishing ways to reproduce that challenge our understanding of life. Join us as we discover 10 unique animals that defy these conventional rules. Segment 1, we have the sea star. These fascinating creatures can reproduce asexually through regeneration. If a sea star loses an arm, it can regrow it. In some cases, that lost arm can develop into an entirely new sea star. To reproduce, they may also split their central disc, allowing two sea stars to emerge from one. Segment 2, let's meet the planarian, a type of flatworm renowned for its incredible regenerative abilities. If cut into pieces, each fragment can develop into a new planarian. This means one single worm can become many. They reproduce asexually through fission, where the worm divides itself, creating two genetically identical offspring. Segment 3, coming in at number 3 is the hydra. These tiny freshwater animals are unique because they can reproduce by budding. A small bud grows on the hydra's body and eventually detaches to live independently. This asexual method allows hydras to rapidly increase their population in favorable environments. Segment 4, we have the whiptail lizard. This remarkable all-female species reproduces through a process called parthenogenesis. They can produce eggs that develop into new lizards without fertilization from males. During mating season, these lizards engage in mock mating rituals to stimulate egg development, ensuring their survival without male partners. Segment 5, Komodo dragon. Interestingly, if there are no males around, female Komodo dragons can reproduce through parthenogenesis as well. They can produce fertile eggs that develop into embryos without needing a male. This unique adaptation helps ensure the species can thrive, even in isolated habitats. Segment 6, sea anemone. These colorful creatures can reproduce asexually by splitting in half, creating two new anemones from one. This process, called fission, allows them to quickly multiply in stable environments, ensuring their survival against predators. Segment 7, we have the African clawed frog. These frogs can reproduce through a fascinating method known as apomixis, where females produce offspring without fertilization. This means that they can thrive in environments where males are scarce, ensuring the continuity of their population. Segment 8, bamboo shark. They reproduce through a process called ovoviviparity, where the eggs hatch inside the female, leading to the birth of live young. This method provides a safe environment for the developing embryos, giving them a better chance of survival when they finally enter the world. Segment 9, starfish, which can reproduce asexually by splitting its body into parts. Each part can regenerate into a new starfish. This remarkable ability allows them to thrive in various environments and recover from injuries, ensuring their survival in the wild. Segment 10, we have the jellyfish. Some species can reproduce both sexually and asexually. They can clone themselves through a process called budding, where small clones form from the parent jellyfish. This flexibility in reproduction allows jellyfish to adapt to changing environments and thrive in various ecosystems. Which of these unique animals surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions for future topics, we'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching Animal Studies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing animal facts.